Hey, what's up guys? Andy here from Empower Fitness Training here. I just wanted to deliver a quick workout for you guys that you can do at home with no equipment, just your own body weight. That's gonna get your heart rate up, get your blood flowing, and have you feeling good. So let's get started. This is a 3-circuit workout, and we're gonna start with running in place. Getting those knees up, and you can do this for anywhere between 20 and 30 seconds. This is 3-circuit workout. Then we're gonna do a stride back lunge. Alternating, okay? If you need to hold on to something like a counter when you're doing these, go ahead and hold on. So this is exercise number 2. And then we're gonna do a stand-up, sit-down, or a body weight squat. You can sit down all the way down on a chair and stand all the way up. And we'll do 15 to 20 reps of those. So circuit number 1 is running in place, 30 seconds. Stride back lunge, you can do anywhere between 10 and 15 of these. And a squat or stand up sit down. Second, we're gonna do, second circuit in this workout is skaters. So we're gonna skate side to side. It's like a little baby dance move. If you can't lift your foot, just go slow. Back and forth, kind of swipe the ground as you go. No rush, okay? 30 seconds. Okay, then we're gonna do punches. You're gonna sit down, you're gonna punch and extend, rotating your trunk. Again, we'll do 20 to 30 seconds to this one. Okay, and then we're gonna do a squat, thrust with a toe raise, okay? Push your hips back, fire your hands out, come up on your toes. Okay, and you can do 15 to 20 of those. That is circuit number 2. Circuit number 3 is a static lunge. So you're gonna hold a lunge position, keeping this knee off the ground, rotate to the side and back to the center. 12 reps each leg. If you need to hold on slightly for something, if you lose your balance, then continue. Okay, then we're gonna do a sumo squat. Nice wide stance, toes facing out. Knees are gonna track the same way as your toes. You're gonna go straight down, straight up, flexing your inner thigh, squeezing all the way to the top. Again, 15 to 20 reps of those. And then we'll finish with a plank. On your elbows, or on your hands. That is a simple 3-circuit workout that you can do at home, no equipment necessary. I'll outline the workout in the show notes. As you can see, I got my heart rate up. It's guaranteed to get your heart rate up. See you guys soon. Have a good one.